Do you need to spend tons of money in order to be able to fly free or travel free using travel rewards? So, this is a common misconception I hear a lot. People think that they need to spend all this money in order to accumulate enough travel rewards for it to be worth it. And that is simply not the case. My family flies 6 times a year regularly. In 2022, we're going to hit 7 times a year. And we do it through our everyday spending and nothing else. We are not people who spend tons of money on expenses. We just have the same expenses as most: utilities, insurance. I have business expenses, groceries, gas, all of that good stuff. And that's all that you need. So the key to having enough travel rewards at any given moment to be able to fly free wherever you want to go is to be putting your everyday spending on the correct card. And inside my family's Fly Free membership, we take a look at your personal situation and we recommend for you which card we think would be best for you to put your everyday spending on. And we're not recommending more than one card in most cases. You simply need to have one card, and it needs to be the right card, the card that's going to earn you the most points in the categories that you spend on the most, that's going to work well with the airline and the hotel programs that you prefer to stay in, to fly on. So if you can do this, pick the correct card and simply put your everyday spending that you're going to be doing anyway, nothing that you wouldn't be spending otherwise, and you pay that balance off either at a minimum once a month so you don't pay any interest, or you can do like I do and pay it off every other day or every day. So it's no different than coming directly out of your bank account. So it does not require lots of money. You can absolutely do this and fly 6 times a year like my family of 4 through just your everyday spending.